What's up everybody, welcome back to another video here at my channel. In today's video we're going to be going over a company known as GBT Technologies, ticker symbol GTCH. But before we break down the charts and do some technical analysis on this stock, I want to talk and give a brief overview and background about what that company actually is and what the company actually does. So you can see this is from their website, gbttechnologies.com/about us. You can see they're a technology company focusing on chip design and software and is developing a portfolio of intellectual property that is targeted to have significant relevance in enabling the rollout of IoT, which stands for the Internet of Things, global mesh networks, and for applications relating to AI. And I think this is really huge, guys. I think AI, artificial intelligence, is going to be a huge part of the future going forward. And I think that companies that have an emphasis on that space and that industry are going to perform really well in the future. Next, if we take a look at some recent news, you can see GBT filed an AI-empowered financial technology patent application seeking to protect an advanced credit management concept. If we take a look at this a little bit further, you can see they filed with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office a patent application for systems and methods of a financial software application for secured AI-controlled credit card management system. This was filed on January 26th of 2022, and that's just a very interesting concept, guys. I know a lot of you might not even understand that. An AI-controlled credit card management system. That sounds very like futuristic. I know it can sound like some kind of crazy thing, but I promise you this is a good thing. This is a very kind of how do I say this, disruptive industry. This is an industry that's kind of untapped, the AI industry, and doing something like this I think is very smart. I think they're very early into the space, and I think the earlier you are and the harder you work and develop your products or your services or whatever the case may be, the better you will do in the long run, especially in an untapped industry like artificial intelligence. Lastly, you can see the goal of the patent application is to protect a software application concept that would automatically characterize and prioritize consolidation of different credit cards into one card, creating essentially one large line of credit. And then next, if we take a look at this article, this came out on January 11th of 2022. GBT is developing an internet-based licensing system to potentially offer its microchip analysis technology through a secured web portal interface. If we scroll down a little bit further, you can see using a secured portal, fabless IC design firms will be able to license and use GBT's IC analysis programs per demand. This system will potentially offer an affordable solution for small and medium integrated design companies that cannot afford mass licensing model costs. So obviously, guys, another great article, another great catalyst here for GBT Technologies. And this is going to take me over back to the chart on Webull. You can see this is a 1 year chart. You can see their all-time high up here was $5 per share about a year ago on January 20th of 2021. And ever since then, and this was due to the fact, guys, they did have some short interest as well, which did cause some surges in price. If we scroll back over to the current price action and zoom in a little bit further, you can see they are kind of trending up again. They did hit this low down here, and this is a pretty strong support line at about 10 to 11 cents. They bounced off of that. They did see some increase in volume, as you can see by this big bar. They hit a high very recently of 34 cents per share, and now at the moment currently trading at 21 cents per share, up 5.4% as I make this video. If we take a look at this RSI, you can see it is indicating an uptrend. It is rising to the upside as well, and this MACD indicator did have a bullish cross back here, which means when this orange line crosses upwards against this blue line, that means it's a shift in momentum from the sellers back over to the buyers, and you should see an increase in the price, and that's exactly what we're starting to see right here. Personally, guys, I think they're going to continue this uptrend. My short-term price target for them is going to be move similar to this, probably right back up to this 35-40 cent level. You can see they've hit this level a lot in the past. I do expect them to retreat and go back to that level very quickly in the next few weeks, in the next few months. But with that said, guys, I think they're a great buy right here. Be sure to do your own research before investing. But with that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.